Alright, he just signaled forward.
A deputy with the Pinellas County Sheriff's Department arrived at a motel after a weed deal turned south. The buyer snatched the weed and $40 from the dealer, assaulted him, fled his own motel room, leaving his stash of narcotics behind, and carjacked the victim, hitting multiple vehicles in the parking lot.
Where was the guy now, the other guy?
That guy run away with the car.
Oh, he go.
Yeah.
How long ago?
Just 5 minutes ago.
You probably passed him. Yeah, I thought he killed somebody.
Deputies put out a BOLO alert for the red Chevy Malibu and deployed their helicopter to search for the fleeing vehicle.
Eagle break, I think I got your car. Southbound Fort Harrison, right at the split at Myrtle. Continuing southbound Myrtle.
How's this driving?
Extremely signal 12, driver doors flapping in the wind, almost signal forward, running red lights through Fairmont. Through Cleveland, driving on the wrong side of the road, almost caused a head-on signal 4.
We gotta get this guy stopped, yeah.
Clear 10309, do you guys have good carjacking charges?
10-4. We gotta get this guy stopped, no matter what, he's crazy, man. He'll kill somebody.
Yeah, Eagle, I would qualify this as extremely dangerous driving. He's coming up to Lakeview and westbound on Lakeview toward Alt 19.
Yes, SO is advising they have valid carjacking charges.
Through 8th Avenue Northwest.
Oh, he was awfully close to that motorcycle. Oh my gosh, yes. We gotta get his sticks ahead of this guy, he's gonna kill someone. Yep.
Alright, he's over the wrong side of the road coming up to West Bay on Clearwater Largo. He's got a red light. Alright, he ran the red light. I think he just signaled forward into this van. He's now westbound on West Bay.
I think the driver door keeps coming open. It is. It's flapping open.
He's bobbing and weaving through traffic. He's on the brakes, up on the sidewalk now to pass a car.
You need to back off. It's been extremely dangerous from Eagle, so back off if you got enough PCSO against there.
Alright, passing Bluffview Drive and Harborview Lane. So he's committed towards the beach. Alright, he's on the bridge, committed to go over to Bel Air Causeway.
Get out of the way, please.
Car 48 to Eagle. He's all alone. No one's pushing him 10-4.
No, nobody, I can't see anybody around him, but he is extremely dangerous. Just ran the red light at Gulf, southbound Gulf Boulevard.
31 copy, northbound Gulf Boulevard.
Southbound.
Gulf Boulevard, but need to get this guy stopped. He almost ran over a motorcyclist and has almost caused about 6 signal 4s or more. Alright, wrong side of the road around that deputy. Still continuing, high rate of speed.
And you missed the spike.
Alright, continuing south past 24th. He's in the median, high rate of speed. Alright, slowing down at 18th. Looks like he's gonna bail at 18th. He's coming to carjack a Corvette. Black male, blue shirt, blue jeans.
Rocky, can you get up there?
Alright, that car just set off. He's back in his red car, taking off southbound, Gulf Boulevard.
31, you just went southbound on 18th, you said, on Gulf Boulevard?
He is southbound on Gulf Boulevard, high rate of speed, 12th Avenue. We need to get this guy stopped.
Car 48. Any unit that gets a chance to pit him or stop him, do it. It's authorized.
Through 7th, on the sidewalk, passing the car.
Almost signal.
On the opposite lanes of traffic, southbound, high rate of speed, coming up to 5th. Just ran the red light at 5th. This guy has no regard for anybody else on the road. On the pedestrian path, just signal forward in front of Krabby Bill's 4th Avenue. Out of the car, running southbound. He's trying to carjack another Mustang, a black Mustang.
Sorry, I'm getting a little amped up here. You're good.
Alright, he just carjacked this Mustang.
I was trying to carjack a black Mustang 421. You stood up?
I'm almost there.
Taking off in a black convertible Mustang, southbound on Gulf Boulevard.
Get anybody in this. Ram it if you have to.
right behind it.
It looks like that car was involved in the signal 4. That tire's gone.
Go!
We're in a tough spot. I can't get a pit. We're headed down by JD's Tower now.
Eagle, I'll call for you. 2nd Avenue. Going the wrong way on the one-way street on 1st Street. He's fishtailing. He doesn't have that tire. All right, coming back out to Golf and southbound on Golf.
On the sidewalk.
I think he just sideswiped 2 more cars on the bike path.
We got 2 trucks down here.
Guys, please give me the radio. He's on the bike path on the wrong side of the road, back over to the right side of the road, southbound.
We're back behind the SO units.
Lane 21 to car 48. Permission to Rambo? 10-4, 10-4. Yeah, there's a deputy behind us.
Right.
Still southbound, he's all over the road. Alright, just hit the Marine unit. Now he's fishtailing. He's continuing southbound. Alright, just sideswiped another car. I'm not sure if that was a cruiser. Still southbound. High rate of speed. Over onto the bike lane, past the traffic. Alright, he just signaled forward. He's all over the place, he's hitting the fence. He's down 19925 Gulf Boulevard. He's on the south side of the building, driving to the east. He's around the back now, driving north. Alright, just hit the fence, going through another fence to the next property to the north. Alright, he's out of the vehicle. I think he's running northbound. Alright, he's northbound in the mangroves behind the next property to the north.
K-Town coming on the beach.
You guys come over here. That fucker does not go that way.
Alright, he's heading kind of east, northeast through the mangroves. Alright, still heading east. He's coming out to the intercoastal.
Wait.
He's in the mangroves all the way out by the edge of the water.
Make sure they got EMS coming for this wreck over here.
I don't know where they're at. What's up? Should we be inside? Yeah, go inside right now.
Can get EMS rolling for the wreck. I know there's some civilians involved. He's in the water. He's swimming eastbound.
I got less. I got less. Swimming. Get on that dock.
Alright, we've got deputies challenging from the dock.
Hey, get on the... Hey, let me see your hand. Hey, let me see your hand. Walk over that way, now. Hey, I will take... I got lethal. He's eating drugs.
Holy shit. The Pinellas County deputies were freaking driving insane.
Hey, watch your cross. Hey, you got a Marine unit in the water, or it's not? Success.
Stop being stupid. Let's go. If I have to get back in there, I swear to God.
Eagle, if there's one of the Marine units that's available with one of the smaller boats, it looks like it's probably shallower up here, maybe waist deep.
You got your Marine unit coming? I think ours in the water.
Yeah, they're coming.
Okay.
Guys, use caution. It looks like he's got his hand down his pants. I don't know if he's holding up his pants or he's trying to hold something in him.
Yo, bro, no matter where you go, you're done, so just stop.
The helo's
Come
right
in.
above you, man.
Helo's above you, we got boats coming, so you're done. Just give it up. You think a little bit of water is going to stop us?
We call FD.
What happened? I don't know.
Yeah, that's 51.
Trying to get you an angle? Yeah, so I don't know what he's doing in his pants. Something in his hand, isn't it?
My man.
I got fleeing charges from off Fort Harrison. You guys got fleeing charges and all that too?
Fleeing, we got 2 carjackings.
Yeah. Okay.
3 Golf Boulevard.
The dolphin's gonna get you, man.
Bro, there's sharks in there.
He's out of he's whacked out.
Alright, we got a boat coming from the south. Okay. Right underneath me.
Yeah, that's 51. Yeah, where are you?
From the dock, we got a boat, some more boats coming.
How do you like that angle? That's a little washed out from the sun. Alright. Sun's on our back, but I think if you bring me around to the east.
Just pointed right to the other gun. Yep. So keep an eye on them.
There we go.
Hey, homie. I'm gonna drag you up on that boat anyway.
Hey, he's right there.
Jill, come here.
2 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
Jill, come here. Get over here.
2 o'clock.
I don't know. Jill. Yes. Multiple. You gonna take him on the boat yourself?
Keep going.
Get out of here.
Stop.
Go.
Go. Now.
Watch your prop. Jill.
Hey, bump it forward. Bump it.
Yeah, break it, nice up.
Got it? Yep.
If you got something, you drop it.
Get it more over
Not
here.
worth it. Hey, you hear me?
520.
Are you guys good?
Hey, get some of the... Make sure his hands don't pop back up.
If he's caution, he's got his right hand down by his side.
Watch your cross when you come.
Yep.
Not sure if he was trying to pull up his pants or if he was trying to reach for something. He definitely had something white in his hands there for a moment. I think he still has it in his left hand.
Alright, Marine units have got him on the boat. They're going 10-15.
This angle, jet wash from the engine a little bit. Yep.
Sheriff's office has been chasing this guy. We just arrested him. Like, this is happening on the radio right now. He carjacked 3 cars. I'm assuming it's probably the guy who hit you because he's driving erratically, right?
Yeah.
Done? With your hand. Put it behind.
I don't know how they're going to work jurisdiction right now, but yeah, obviously we got him. So.
Oh, good.
Let him go to his back. Let him go to his back.
Yeah, he's fighting with them.
2 more people jump on board.
I told my girlfriend, I just lucky he didn't hit us right head on. He glanced and you can see what he did. Took this off.
He's done, bro. He's done.
You done, dude?
Uncle. Yes.
This guy was running from us.
I wondered because he
Listen,
just
wait,
kept going in.
listen to the story.
Okay.
Yeah, he carjacked about 3 cars. He's in the water right now. We just scooped him up in the water.
Good. Great form. All right. And that is kind
Huh? That's 60, we're 10-15.
I thought to myself, don't even attempt to chase him because you're not going to catch this guy.
No.
He was flying.
And my thought was, he'll come back. Nice people do.
Dude, he's got it.
Give me the freaking keys.
There, got it.
At Eagle Radio, just to make sure we've got EMS 51
He's going to be getting a lot of charges.
Yay.
Send Eagle, great job. Thanks, good job by you guys too.
The suspect, identified as Kenneth Lunford, also known as Keiki, was transported to St. Petersburg General for medical treatment. According to the incident report, Kenneth vomited several times while waiting for EMS and admitted to swallowing Dilaudid, a painkiller that is multiple times stronger than morphine. While undergoing treatment, deputies searched his hotel room, which he checked into using his real name, and discovered 393 grams of marijuana, 213 grams of THC oil, and 78 grams of an unknown white powdery substance, which later tested negative for controlled substances, suggesting that the powder was likely baking soda, frequently used as a look-alike in illicit drug transactions. Kenneth's bond was set at $10,000, and he was charged with 2 counts of carjacking, attempted carjacking, felony fleeing and eluding, resisting an officer with violence, robbery by sudden snatching, leaving the scene of a crash involving injuries, as well as battery on a law enforcement officer, and 29 separate traffic violations, including DUI and leaving the scene of a crash. He originally pleaded not guilty, but later entered a plea agreement where he pleaded guilty to most of the felony charges in exchange for the state dropping several misdemeanor charges and the felony charge of battery on a law enforcement officer. He received the maximum penalty of 14 years for carjacking, attempted carjacking, and fleeing and eluding. He also received 5 years for resisting an officer with violence, robbery by sudden snatching, and leaving the scene of a crash involving injury. He was also ordered to pay almost $20,000 in restitution, and his driver's license was suspended. He is currently serving his time at Florida State Prison and is expected to be released in 2036.